Good day friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to look how you can solve for this question. You want to convert decimal fraction word to binary number. This is what number base. You want to convert decimal fraction word to binary number. How can you convert this question, this fraction to what? To binary number. This is very simple and so students find it difficult to solve this kind of word, this question. But today I'll give you the one simple logic to understand what and to convert what to solve this question. So let's dive into it now. So here we have the question 1. The question expresses what? Express the word decimal fraction what in binary notation or what binary what number. You know binary number is such what if it's really something about what binary. Binary is all the same thing as what? As what base what? 2. Binary is all the same thing as base what? 2. So in this case we are giving fraction 16, 11 over what? 16. We have to convert this 11 over 16 to what? To binary. You know the binary number is a number between what? 0 and what? And 1. 0 and 1. It's a number between 0 and 1. So in this place, how can you get what? 0 and 1 in this fashion? The first thing to do here is very simple. You need to convert this fraction word to decimal. So here when you divide this 16 by what? 11. You divide this one by 11, convert this one to decimal. That's what divide this one. 16 by what? 11 we get what? 0.6875. So in this place now, to get your remainder, to get your binary code now, to get your binary number among what this number now. You know this number are for two parts. Which are the first part, the number before what? Point. Number before point is what? Is O what? O number. And number what? After this point is what? Is decimal number. So now to get your remainder now, to get your binary number for this place now, we have to write this what? The O number part. The O number part here is what? Is 0. So our remainder here is what? Is 0. So now let's make this one. Let's find the remaining remainder. So in this place now, since we get this one 0.685. So here we multiply this 0.685 times what? Binary number, and not binary number is what? Is base 2. So you multiply this one by what? By base 2. So this one is what? Is 0.6875 multiplied by what? 2. So when you press this in your calculator, then multiply 2 times this, you will get 1.375. When you get 1.375, so what's 1? Because of what? We did what? The binary number did what? With this whole number what parts. Then get what? To get our remainder for what? For this place. This is the first remainder and what? The second remainder. So in this place now, to get what? The next remainder here, we have what? 1.375. Here you need to omit what? This what? You take what? You omit this what? 1. So you omit it, you put what? 0 to this place 1. You put it as 0.3175 multiplied by the base, which is what? Base 2. This is equal to. So this one we have omit this one, we represent this one by what? By 0. So if you assume that you leave it like this, if you multiply this one by this, you get what? Number that is what? More than is 0 and 1. So that is why we have to what? Omit this what? This one and put what? 0 there. So when you put 0 there, now you have multiply 2 times what? 0.75. You get what? Here we have what? 0.375 multiplied by 2. You get 0.75. So here to get our remainder, your remainder is what? Is 0. We have what? Remainder what? 0. So let me clean this up, no mistake. Remainder what? 0. So in this place now, we have 0.75. So now 0.75 again. Also multiplied by what? By 2. 0.75 multiplied by 2 will give us 1.5. So now to get your remainder in this place now, 1.5, you write remainder is 1. So here we have remainder what? 1. So the decimal part now, you know equate this one, the same thing you did in this place, you know equate this one what? To be 0. This one will be what? Is 0.5 multiplied by the binary, that's what? 2. That's what you give what? 1. So in this place now, there's no decimal parts in this place. So since there's no decimal part in this place, so you leave what? Your division and multiplication what at this place. So here we have our remainder to what? 1. Because we have the whole number 1 here, so our remainder what? Is 1. So now to write the binary number here, it stands for what? Up and down. So the first one here, that first zero here, which is one you get from the decimal, for the decimal number at this place, that's going to write this as what? The remainder number what? 0. This 0, this point, we put a point. So the next number here we have 1. This one is remainder 1. We have 1. And the next here we have 0. Next here we have 1. Next here we have 1. So this was base 2. So if I converted this what? 11 over 16 to what? To binary number here, the answer is what? Is 0.1001. So what? Base 2. So that is how you convert what? Decimal fraction what? To binary number. That is how we solve it. Because I hope you get this way. I hope you understand the way I explain it. So if you understand it, try to solve this one and let me know your answer in the comment section. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the button. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you next video. Bye.